This is a farm cat. This is a small black farm duck. This is a medium black farm chick. This is a seal. This is a young brown farm animal, 914.
Tiny white savanna wild horse.
This is a squid.
Small red savanna okapi. Medium spotted savanna badger. This is a clownfish.
This is a yak. This is a cow.
This is a large sandy desert mongoose. Medium black savanna bear.
This is a medium black farm hen. This is a young brown farm animal, 971.
Small grey savanna wild sheep.
This is a goat.
This is a rooster.
This is an elephant.
Tiny golden savanna zebu. This is a large black farm kid goat.
This is a sheep.
This is a young brown farm animal, 800.
Large black savanna ibex.
This is a leopard.
Tiny silver Arctic polar bison. Giant
snowy polar wolverine.
This is a farm dog.
This is a manta ray.
This is a reindeer.
Medium silver Arctic snow leopard.
This is a young brown farm animal, 800.
Medium white Arctic wolf. Giant icy Arctic yak.
This is a pony.
Large brown savanna tah.
This is a young brown farm animal, 867.
Giant gray polar snow leopard. Tiny white Arctic lemming.
Small gray polar marmot.
This is an angelfish.
Tiny icy Arctic glacier lynx.
Small white Arctic fox.
Small gray savanna fox.
This is a young brown farm animal, 752.
Medium white Arctic lemming. Tiny black savanna tah.
This is a school of fish.
Giant red savanna badger.
Giant red savanna deer. This is a duck.
This is a pony.
This is a sheep.
This is a crab.
Medium gray savanna taha.
This is a small brown farm pig.
This is a seahorse.
This is a dolphin.
This is a large black farm sheep.
This is a pony.
Medium gray. Polar bear.
Tiny silver Arctic pika. Tiny silver Arctic pika.
Giant gray polar snow martin.
This is a whale.
Giant golden savanna martin.
Tiny snowy polar ice weasel.
Small brown savanna wild horse.
Giant white polar Arctic fox.
This is a octopus. This is a parrotfish.
Giant silver Arctic ibex.
This is a fox.
This is a large brown farm chick.
This is a rooster.
Large spotted savanna pangolin. Tiny brown savanna mongoose.
This is a cow.
This is a young brown farm animal, 845.
Large white Arctic lemming.
Medium black savanna badger.
This is a lobster.
This is a sea turtle.
This is a young brown farm animal, 869.
This is a young brown farm animal, 890.
This is a farm dog.
Medium snowy Arctic marmot.
This is a lamb.
Giant red savanna badger.
This is an angelfish.
This is a young brown farm animal, 849.
This is a rooster. This is a lamb. This is a donkey.
This is a pig.
Large snowy Arctic wolverine.
Medium white Arctic ibex.
Giant grey savanna markhor. Small white Arctic lemming.
This is a sea lion.
Tiny silver Arctic snow leopard.
Giant white savanna wild goat.
This is a large brown farm turkey.
This is a young brown farm animal, 8110.
This is a jellyfish.
Giant icy Arctic fox. Large brown savanna pangolin. Small brown savanna armadillo.
This is a sea urchin. This is a lobster.
Tiny gray Arctic moose. Giant white polar ibex.
Tiny grey savanna markhor.
Medium grey savanna wild goat.
Small black savanna aardvark.